Oh boy. Imagine a tree. Imagine a tree where this used to be. Full-grown tree, from tree up above power lines to sliced and diced and brushed and piled in 94 minutes. With this little tiny battery-operated chainsaw from Dewalt. This thing is amazing. I was really nervous about buying it. Now I'm glad I did. This is going to be awesome when camping. This is pretty cool. Oh boy.
Put that in the garden. Go put it in the garden. Can she see it real quick, Ruben? Careful.
Alright guys, so it's been a good hot minute since we cut that down and pulled it out. As you can see, the weeds are already growing in its spot. I just want to take a minute to say I'm editing the video right now, and I never did an outro, so here's a really quick outro. We did all that with the 10-inch Dewalt saw, so that tree was kind of growing into the power lines. I'm backwards here. The power lines here, so we had to get rid of it. It didn't look good anyway. The bugs were getting to it and eating it up. This is the second house we've purchased with overhead power lines and trees growing right under the power lines. Who thinks it's a good idea when they plant them that way? I don't know. I've had to cut them both down. But with this, I used the Dewalt 10-inch battery operated chainsaw. I was kind of scared when I bought it that I was wasting my money. But I've made the decision, anytime I go camping or maybe even off-roading in general, that chainsaw is coming with me, because I did that whole tree. The very bottom of the base was about 11 inches wide, some 12-inch spots, some 10-inch spots, so we'll call it 11. And I cut that whole tree down, stacked it, cut into the logs in, well, about an hour and a half, and only 2 of the 6 amp hour batteries. So you can cut a whole tree down. So if you're in the forest and you have a couple trees drop in front of the road, you can absolutely slice them. And the dog's whimpering behind me, but you can absolutely slice them and get it out of your way on a battery, no problem. So yeah, I think this was well worth the money. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'm gonna go let the dog out before he whimpers his poor heart away. So we'll see you later.